Pretty good. A little dark, but well. It's an axle vent, axle lube. It's on there. It's good. Move to the back now. Back here we got this one back here. That's the transaxle and diff, all that good stuff. As you can see, it's on par. It's past the little plug. Now ready to start it up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're out at my property and the first start of the year, trying to get the tractor going here. So I'm going to cycle the key a bunch of times, try to get it started. Hopefully it starts. I did have the battery out all winter, I just put it in. See the glow plug light on there? It's out. And this, find you gotta cycle this a lot. I usually do this about 3 times before I start it. Especially considering this hasn't been started all winter. I think we'll do her a little favor. And then we'll start it here now. Hopefully. Put the wrong battery in it, so we're just going to swap it out, put the correct one in. Pretty easy, just pull these straps off, move this, and unbolt it from here and take it out. Probably not the greatest idea, but whatever. Done. And a problem I just noticed, I just fixed it, but over the winter when I was just reversing into a trailer, and I had this pedal down, and when I let off it stayed down, and these must have been sticking. It stayed down. I went and hit my foot on the brake, and it didn't matter, it just overpowered the brake and kept going. I had to slap the other side in order to get these to stop. So they were sticking. They're not now. I just sprayed a bunch of PB Blast on them. There's a bunch of linkages up in here. I don't have my light mod on, but everything that had all these pivot points, I just soaked them with PB Blast and worked this thing back and forth, and now they're not sticking. But if you park it for a long time over winter, you might want to definitely check that, because I almost backed up way too far, because this was just stuck down, and that brake will not stop these. So see everything that's moving in there. I just lubed the shit out of it. Hopefully that won't happen anymore. Seems to be moving freely now. Something to look out for. Box blade every spring and every fall, and usually when the road and the driveway looks like crap, I'll go up and down 4 or 5 times, get it all smoothed out, and I'll still stick with the idea that the box blade is one of the best attachments you can get. It just works so well.
the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. Oh, you seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over. It's about time. Oh, all sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your time.